Welcome to How to Solve, here Twitter tips for Mac users. Let's how to use dark mode, change font size, turn off, on media preview and turn off sound effects. First open Twitter on Mac, now go to Twitter Mac menu and click on Twitter option. Now click on the Preferences option. Now under the General section, click on Display and Sound Settings. GI with the dark mode option, by default this option will be off. Click to customize it. The first toggle is to enable dark mode on the Twitter app. Once I enabled on my Twitter app and look how beautiful look after that. All the options and Twitter feed now more clear in the night. More customizations settings are dim and light out. You can see the clear difference between dim and light's option appearance. This option is to enable dark mode on settings window only. We can either enable dark mode or use system settings dark mode. Now the next settings is change font size. Go back to the previous menu, and drag the slider to right that increase font size in the tweet preview. Also on the Twitter Mac app. Now the next settings are media preview, hide all media preview images or video that posted in tweet. Here's the look after. What is your experience with this option? Now the next settings on the Twitter Mac app are mute or disable Twitter app sound like post a new tweet and retweet or like the sound. By default this sound is on, so sometimes it's annoying. That's it. These are the most useful settings on Twitter Mac app. Now check how to turn off autoplay video on Twitter Mac app.